How you doing, YouTube? Today I'm going to be installing these Carhartt custom seat covers on a 2024 Chevy Silverado 2500. Like, comment, and subscribe if you have already. What's up, Motoville Posse? And thank you for your support. Remember, you are the MVP. Let's check out what we get in the box. It's custom fit. And it says water repellent, rain defender. You can get it in, looks like gray, or maybe that's a black, and then brown with camo. Get 2 seat covers, Carhartt, triple stitching. This is nice Carhartt material. It's comparable. Alright, we got it in the truck. First step, open this up and get it up over the headrest. Alright, we slid that over the top, put the Velcros back together. Good fit on there so far. This is so easy, guys. This part right here gets smushed into here, and that holds that in tight. And then these couple bags right here get pushed back here in this crevice, and that'll hold it in. I just slid it over the front here, and then we're gonna want to start tucking it in, this plastic trim to hold it in. Alright, I tucked it in around the front here, around through this plastic. Pushed them 2 foam pads back here. And on this side, pushed in over here by where it says airbag. Tuck it in along the sides here. Alright, after everything is all tucked, it's real nice product. It's a little loose fit, but everything's protected. This is nice. In the back, still got storage here, and then down here this actually velcros to your factory, so that sticks on there real good. Very easy install, honestly. And then these headrests just slip over the top here and velcro on. Slid the headrest cover over, and it's easier to velcro from the back side. Alright, got that on. This is nice. There it is, guys. Two Carhartt seat covers installed in about 10 minutes. Very simple. What I like about them is they cover the whole back side here too. people. So very nice protection. For this, we'll just put something simpler to cover it, a blanket or whatnot, and then we can just keep it underneath in the storage down here. There it is, guys. It's a very simple install. So this video isn't needed on so much on to show you how to do it, but I can speak on the quality, and this is just as nice as any other Carhartt gear I've purchased, and it fits real well, installed real easy, and I think it's well worth the money. So give it a try, guys. I'm gonna be making some more videos on this truck, some more installs. So if you enjoy these videos or just want to see the progression of the 2024 Duramax, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks.